Hello everyone, the purpose of this video is to make you understand the process of molding. Once you are done with your clay sculpture, you are ready for the next step, that is the molding process. Once you are ready, you have to apply the separator on your clay sculpture all over properly. The separator can be the soap solution or soaked clay itself. Step 2. You have to make clay coils for the partition of your clay sculpture so that it can be divided into different segments. If it is not a complex or an intricate sculpture, only 2 parts can be sufficient enough. Step 3. You need plaster of Paris soaked in water. It has to be in a liquid form for the very first step to cover each segment step by step. In the next step, you have to make the plaster a little thick that it can be nicely and gently applied over the very first layer. You have to repeat the process according to the size of the sculpture. Keep repeating the process until you get a thick layer of plaster in the very first segment of your clay sculpture. Once you are done with the first segment and you have achieved the desired thickness with the help of the plaster according to the size of your sculpture, we will move on to the next segment. Remove the coil properly. Once the coil is being removed properly, we have to apply or put up certain clay keys which will further help us in removing the mold in a proper manner. Once this process is being completed, we will repeat the process, that is step 1, by putting up the separator onto the rest of the segment. Start putting up the plaster layering over it one on one until you get the desired thickness according to the sculpture. Check the mold properly that the thickness is being proper with the help of the plaster. Now clean the edges of the mold properly and keep it aside for some time that it should dry properly. Hope this video is helpful for you to understand the process of molding. We'll be sharing my next video for cleaning and casting process. Thank you for watching.